Hi friends, this is SP Zawalkar from Creative English School, Bead Road, Nipani, Aurangabad. Friends, we are learning mathematics of standard 8 and the name of the chapter is quadrilateral, their construction and types. Name of the chapter is quadrilateral, their construction and types. Friends, before we go for construction, let us understand what exactly quadrilateral is. What are the different parts of quadrilateral? See, I have drawn a picture of quadrilateral here, figure of quadrilateral here. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. We can draw one more again. X, Y, Z, P. This is quadrilateral. So quadrilateral has got how many sides, Tanish?
4 sides.
Correct. Quadrilateral has got 4 sides. Here side AB, side BC, side CD or side AD. Any quadrilateral has got 4 sides. Okay, 4 sides. How many angles, Nipun, a quadrilateral has?
4 angles.
4 angles. Angle is measured by one alphabet, by one variable, or it can be measured by 3 also. Suppose I have taken this angle. My elbow shows the vertex here. My elbow shows vertex here. Okay? And these are the 2 sides. So here it is A, at the vertex B, and it is C. How we can measure it? A, B, C, like this. This is vertex. Mean the particular angle we have to measure, and by taking the vertex at the center. Here angle ABC, or you can come vice versa also, reverse, CBA. The clarity should be known to you so that you will be perfect in construction. ABC may be called as CBA, angle B comes there. What about this angle C, Tanish?
Angle C and B.
BCD. When we have to tell the name of angle C, we can say that directly only angle C, or you can say in the 3 letters also. C must be at the center, and the 2 remaining letters should be at the first and last. Third, angle D. You can say directly say angle D, or you can say that what angle it is? ADC or CDA. And the last angle, angle A. You can directly say angle A, or you must say that BAD, which the angle bears the vertex must be at the center. Okay, angle has got, quadrilateral has got 4 sides, 4 angles. But what about diagonals? How many diagonals are there for a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral has got 2 diagonals, mean opposite vertex to be joined. Vertex B, vertex D, or angle B, angle D are joined. That segment is called angle 1. And next angle, second angle, AC. Okay, you understood angles, sides and diagonals also. Now let us go for the kinds of, next portion is kinds or the types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral. How many types of quadrilateral are there? There are 5 types of quadrilateral. Number 1 is square. Square has got almost all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and every angle is of 90 degree. This is called square. What about rectangle? Opposite sides are equal, parallel, and each angle is of 90 degree in rectangle. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel to each other, opposite angles are congruent to each other. This is the figure of parallelogram. Rhombus, all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. And trapezium, झूला रहता खेलने का, झोंका. So that sort of, ये one pair of opposite side is parallel to each other, and remaining is this sort of. It can be of any measure. So in this way, we have learned quadrilateral and its different parts, 4 sides, 4 angles, and 2 diagonals. Now, while studying these kinds of quadrilateral, square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezium. Last is trapezium. So, Nipun, you will tell me how many kinds of quadrilaterals are there?
There are square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezium.
Trapezium there.
Trapezium.
Okay, so in this manner, it is an important part of lesson 8, quadrilateral. Is it 8 lesson, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Quadrilateral construction and types. So you should copy it. Thank you and have a nice and great day.